Hi guys. Alright, word problems with volume. Okay, when you're doing a word problem, it might not say the exact shape, cone, cylinder, sphere that the problem is about. So you're going to have to read the problem and use common sense. We're going to be talking about everyday objects. You should know by reading the problem what shape it would be. And then once you've figured out what shape it is, choose the correct formula. So if I was reading this first problem, it says a globe has a radius of 18 inches. What's the volume? It doesn't say cylinder, cone, or sphere. But hopefully you've all seen a globe before and you know that that's a sphere. So we'd be using the sphere formula. Volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. Then we're going to sub the 18 in. But again, you have to read the problem to know what 18 represents. It represents the radius, so I am subbing that in for r. Then you're going to use your calculator to find your answer. 7,776 pi. Or as a decimal, 24,429.0. The next problem, let's see, an ice cream cone. Well, it does tell us cone right in the problem. Volume equals 1/3 pi r squared h. Has a diameter of 3 inches and it's 5.5 inches tall. What is the volume? Okay, the word diameter should throw up red flags because there's no D in our formula. We want radius, which is not 3, it's going to be 1.5. So 1/3 times pi times 1.5 squared times 5.5. And our answer in terms of pi is 4.125 pi. Remember, I don't want you rounding when it comes to answers in terms of pi. The point of an answer in terms of pi is that you're not rounding. Then to get to the decimal answer, multiply times pi. Actually, this would come out 12.95 would come out 13.0 when we round it correctly. Alright, the next problem got a garbage can that has a, diameter. No, we don't want diameter. We want radius of 15 inches and a height of 3 feet. Okay, so first of all, the diameter thing, we took care of that. It's got to be half. But it also says 3 feet. We never, ever, ever want to mix units. Okay, so if one is inches and one is feet, we want to convert one of them. Now I converted everything to inches because it gives me whole numbers, but if I had to convert to feet, I would get 15 inches would be 1.25 feet and then 3 feet. So pick one, inches or feet. Okay, now garbage can. Again, everyday object. I'm sure that I hope that you know that a garbage can is in the shape of a cylinder. So the cylinder formula would be volume equals pi r squared h. Radius is 15, height is 36. Sub those things in. 8,100 pi when I do my pi answer. And 25,446.9 for my regular answer. Hemisphere. Alright, we're telling you right away what the shape is. Hemisphere. Hemisphere means half of a sphere and it has a radius of 8. What's the volume? Okay, so in a hemisphere problem, we're going to take the regular sphere formula of 4/3 pi r cubed and we're going to put a half out in front of it because we're going half the sphere. So sub in the 8. In terms of pi, that's going to be 341.3 repeating pi The calculator might say 1/3, but 1/3 and 0.3 repeating are the same thing. And there's your answer. Okay? All right. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. See you next time.